This is our first example from our live today. Square pyramids, we're going to be doing surface area. So remember, our square pyramid looks like this, and we are going to open up the net so that it looks like this. This is my favorite way to open up the net. You can also open it up like this, but I think that this is a little easier to see. All right, so our first example that we did during our live was a square pyramid with a square 5 by 5, and the height of the triangle is 4. So if you remember, we are going to set up our paper like this, a square and a triangle. Let's fill in our square. Our square is going to be 5 by 5. So let's go ahead and fill that in. So area equals 5 times 5. And then we're going to fill in our triangle. And our triangle has a base of 5 and a height of 4. So let's fill that in. It's going to be half times the base is 5 and the height is 4. So let's do the area of the square. 5 times 5 is 25. Now let's do the area of one triangle, because as you can see, we do not only have one triangle, and we can see that more clearly when we open up our net that we do not have only one. But right now we are finding out the area of one triangle. So let's do our one triangle. So we're going to do the easiest math that we can. So we're going to do half of 4, which is 2. So we're going to do 2 times 5, because we didn't use the 5 yet, so it just gets moved down, and half of 4 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. So the area of one triangle is 10. I have more than one triangle. I have 4. So each one is 10. So this is 10, this is 10, this is 10, and this is 10. So as you can see, we have 10, 20, 30, 40. So I'm multiplying it by 4. So let's go ahead and take our 10 and multiply it by 4 so that we can get 40. So that is one triangle. That is all 4 triangles, sorry. So we're going to add this 40 and this 25 to get our surface area of the whole pyramid. So 40 plus 25 will give me the surface area of my whole pyramid. So that is 65. So our surface area equals 65. And in this case, it is centimeters, and it's centimeters squared, because as we can see when we open it up, it is flat. So 65 centimeters squared is our surface area. Make sure your paper looks just like this. This is your final answer, 65 centimeters squared.